In a cozy home lived a young boy named Alex. His room, however, was anything but cozy. It was a vibrant playground of clutter, where every toy had found its own unique, untidy spot. Amidst this delightful chaos, Alex played happily, completely oblivious to the growing mess around him. His imagination soared, turning the cluttered room into a grand adventure, a world of his own making. But soon, a familiar request would echo through the house. "Alex, please clean your room." Alex would grumble, finding endless excuses to avoid the daunting task. "I'll do it later," he'd often say. His parents, though patient, often looked tired and a bit frustrated by the constant battle over tidiness. They wished for a way to inspire him, to make him understand the joy of a clean space. One quiet night, as Alex slept soundly in his messy room, something extraordinary began to happen. A gentle, shimmering light pulsed, growing brighter with each passing moment. Then, a small, whimsical, magical creature with iridescent wings floated gracefully into the room. It had large, friendly eyes and a gentle demeanor, observing the chaotic scene with curious wonder. With a soft chime, the creature gently nudged a toy car. To Alex's surprise, it magically floated back to its shelf. Alex stirred, a faint dream of floating toys dancing in his mind, but he remained fast asleep. The next morning, Alex woke up, rubbing his eyes. Something felt different. He noticed a few toys neatly put away on their shelves. He was confused, but simply shrugged it off. Later that day, as Alex played, the magical creature reappeared, startling him with its sudden presence. The creature communicated through playful gestures and soft, melodic chimes, a language of pure joy. It showed Alex how fun cleaning could be, making objects dance and float into their proper places. Alex, intrigued by this magical display, decided to try it himself. He picked up a toy and, with a small effort, placed it back on its shelf. A small sense of accomplishment bloomed within him, a feeling he hadn't expected. The creature encouraged him with more joyful chimes, its glow intensifying slightly. Soon, they were cleaning together, turning the chore into a delightful game. A sock became a flying carpet, a book a soaring bird, each finding its way home with a giggle. Slowly but surely, Alex's room began to transform from chaos to order. The floor became visible, the shelves organized, and a sense of calm settled over the space. Alex realized how much easier and faster it was to clean when he put things away immediately. The magical creature nodded, its eyes twinkling, affirming his newfound wisdom. His newfound helpfulness didn't stop at his room. Alex extended it to other areas of the house. He assisted his parents with small chores, like watering the plants, a task he once avoided. His parents were surprised and utterly delighted by his change in behavior. They praised him for his help, their words filling him with warmth and pride. Alex felt proud and happy, enjoying the clean environment and the positive attention from his parents. The magical creature, its mission complete, gave a final, approving chime and a gentle wink. Then, with a soft shimmer, it disappeared, leaving Alex with a lasting lesson. Alex's room was now consistently tidy, a testament to his newfound responsibility. He continued to be a helpful member of the family, contributing to their harmonious home. A final shot of Alex and his parents sharing a happy moment, their home filled with love and order.